Hey guys, I found a new Alfredo recipe that I wanted to try, so I want to go ahead and get some vegetables cooking before we start on the sauce itself. I also have some broccoli on the back burner blanching. A little more oil. And then I want to throw in some garlic. I'm going to be making a vegetable Alfredo, but you could, of course, make some chicken to go in it. If you have some leftover chicken, it'd be a good way to use that. Okay, now, since I don't want those cooked completely, I'm going to go ahead and remove these from the heat, and we're going to start on the sauce. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is melt down a stick of butter. And then we're going to add in 4 ounces of cream cheese. I've made white sauces on here before, and you know that I've never used butter and cream cheese, so I'm anxious to see what this one tastes like. I'm also going to add in a cup of half and half. You can see some little bits of onion, and I've seen a couple of little slices of zucchini that's coming up off the bottom. We are also going to be adding 1.5 cups of Parmesan. I'm going to go ahead and add part of it in now. Let that cream cheese continue to melt. So there's a half. Another half. Now we just need to let it melt and get smooth. I don't think I'm going to add the other half cup of Parmesan that's in the recipe. But if you decide to make it, just know that I did cut it. And I'm not adding any salt because there's plenty of salt in the cheese, so it doesn't need it. And the butter was salted butter as well. If you want to add some pepper, you could do that. I think that's working much better than the wood spoon. Now I'm going to add my vegetables back in. This would be yummy over any pasta, or also with a baked chicken. You could even shred your chicken and put it inside. I make a chicken cordon bleu that's good, and it has a sauce that's very cheesy like this. And one thing that's really good is steamed vegetables on the side, and then put your mashed potatoes down, cut your chicken in half, lay it on the mashed potatoes, and then pour the sauce over. This is just really good with those potatoes and the chicken. Okay, so here's our sauce. I'm going to grab a spoon and take a taste. It's a good sauce, but I have to be honest, the one that you see me make that starts with the chicken broth base, I personally like it better. But this is good. It's different with the cream cheese and the heavier amount of Parmesan. I am going to add just a little parsley to this, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so I've added some pasta to it. I went with the bow tie pasta, but any pasta would be great. Fettuccine would probably be really good. And this will be great just on its own, but honestly, if you wanted something heavier, if you feel like you need a meat, then just either bake some chicken or boil it, and then just shred it or dice it, put it in, and then you'll have a little meatier, heavier meal for you. But this and a salad, perfect. All right, I hope you guys have a great week this week, and I'll see you next week.